Good morning, party people. We're up bright and early this morning at Sydney International Airport. Lane, where are we going?
Bali. Had to think about that.
So we're heading off on a week's adventure to Bali, in which I'm creating a brand new Instagram series for IGTV. Over the next 3 months, we'll be traveling the world, sharing the best places to travel, train, eat, be healthy, be active, and explore the world. So starting off, we're going to Bali. This episode won't be up until July, so we're not going to show you that, but you're going to vlog in between so you can kind of see bits and pieces. You're going to make sure you follow me on Instagram at Nathan. Also follow Milestone if you don't already, because we're going to be also posting from Bali all this week, creating some fun content, having some fun. You know what I mean?
Yeah, capital fun.
Yeah, so let's roll the montage of travel. I assume when you're looking at this now, it'd be like a really cool montage of travel and planes, and transport and stuff. Now we're here, staying at the Ramada Encore. I don't know what the next thing is. That goes with, in Seminyak. So this is a very last minute booking, so it's a bit out of the way, that's fine. Had some good breakfast this morning. Lane, anything you want to contribute to this?
There's a gelato truck outside.
Good contribution.
Thank you.
What's up? I'm Nathan. Welcome to my Balinese crib. Come on in, I'll show you around. First things first, we've got a sweet little pool area with bean bags, because you got to be relaxing when you're in Bali. Now what we've gone for here is like an open plan living environment. So you can see here, we've got no walls breaking it off, no safety, no pool fence. No, we keep things dangerous here. Straight up into the kitchen. This is my dope kitchen where I don't cook anything because we're in Bali and it's easy to eat out. Woo! Guest room number 1. Big double bed. We got queen bed? Double bed? Pretend I know what I'm talking about. Guest bathroom. Nice big shower area. We won't look at the messy towels. Quick, come on through. Air conditioning on point at all times. This is our lounging area. Tiny little TV, giant couch. The workstations, you can sit and get that hot Balinese air on us while we're working. Go on upstairs. Oh yeah, sweet wings. Come on up. You gotta run upstairs, it's the rule. Awkward height mirror that you can't see yourself in. That's an essential. This is my upstairs lounging area. Coming into the master bedroom. This is where the magic happens. When I say magic, I mean I fall asleep here pretty quickly. Keep it at a crisp 18 degrees at all times. Heaps of dollars by the bedside, cause we're ballin'. I think there's like $15 right there, but it looks like a lot. This is my awkward shower. I'm not standing around because it hurts your feet, so you gotta stand right here at all times. Quick, come this way. This is my outdoor eating area. You can sit here, watch the construction work, watch in the villa next door. You know, you got options.